Take off the drama on Wall Street, which cattle got caught up in. Michelle Rook is back with more on the impact in markets now.
Monday's market closes lower in the livestock. We managed to come back in the row crops. Risk Management Commodities, Chuck Shelby is joining us. And Chuck, let's talk about the sell-off in the livestock futures, kind of tied to the sell-off in the stock market and some long liquidation there, huh?
Yeah, it was a very volatile day. When you look at the reasons why, it's simply the losses in the equity markets came into play, and the funds needed to bank some profits in other markets, primarily in the livestock. They were long, so they sold out of those positions, and cattle and feeder cattle got hit really hard. So that we'll see what happens today if we can see these markets come back and stabilization occurs.
Yeah, technically, how much damage have we done now, especially like to that feeder cattle chart?
Certainly, these kind of days with those drastic down moves damage the chart. But I think you have to go back and again and look at the reason why. And if we can see stability over in the stock market, it seems to be overdone and everything. So I think we have to see and watch in the next few days how the stock market reacts. And if it can stabilize, I think we'll see the cattle markets come back around.
Are you concerned about recession and the impact that could have on protein demand or not?
I mean, inflation's finally caught up with a lot of American consumers. So certainly, after summer, I do think going into the fall season, I'm concerned about this demand, and recession is a big factor in consumption of our meat products.
And row crops were able to reverse and close a little bit higher. How much of that was just kind of some short covering or maybe some position unwinding?
That's basically 100% because that early in the day we saw quart of beans down pretty dramatically, checking out some lows from last week, and then the fund money turned around, took off short positions to show some profit against their losses in the equity market. So pretty heavily dependent upon what the funds wanted to do. And it's nice to see the market rally. It was a good day, and hopefully we can continue on that.
Yeah, no doubt. Thanks for joining us, Chuck Shelby, Risk Management Commodities. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.